We're talking with Dr. Bill Harris today about omega-3 fatty acids. Can you talk a little bit about just what omega-3s are and why are they important?
Yeah, omega-3s are one of a class of two different types of fatty acids that we have to have in our diet. It's essential fatty acids. It's the omega-6 class and the omega-3 class. Most people are familiar with these as called polyunsaturated fatty acids, which is what you typically see in vegetable oils. Any liquid fat, liquid oil that you eat is got polyunsaturated fats, and they're either omega-6 or omega-3. Almost all that we eat in America are from plants, the oils, plant oils, and they are rich in omega-6 fatty acids. The omega-3 fatty acids are a slight difference in chemical structure, which if I had a graph I could show you, but that's okay. It's okay. The chemical structure is different, but the function is much the same. But the omega-3s come from fish oils. So it's an animal oil. It's not a plant oil. It's from an animal, but yet it's a liquid room temperature. So that's because it's full of these polyunsaturated fatty acids that are omega-3s. Why are they important for you? Partly because in really building cell membranes and doing all the communication, chemical communication between cells, the omega-3s form kind of one of two legs of it. I guess you can't have a two-legged stool, but the omega-6 and the omega-3 both are important in giving healthy membranes and improving a variety of conditions, particularly cardiovascular conditions are improved by the omega-3 fatty acids. And the omega-6 are good too. They are healthy fats as well. So it's possible to be a fan of omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids. Okay. One doesn't have to have an adversarial relationship between the two. But the omega-3s have kind of emerged over the last 40 years, originally from research that was done by Danish scientists in Greenland when they were studying Eskimos. And they were examining the Eskimo diet, which was, by our standards in the 1970s, a terrible diet. Blubber, seal, whale, no 5 fruits and vegetables a day, none of that stuff. And it looked awful, very high in cholesterol and fat. But yet they weren't having any heart attacks. There was some real paradox going on there. And that was what led to a real investigation into what's different in the blood of these Eskimos versus normal Danish people, Westerners. And they found a whole lot of omega-3 fatty acids and traced it back to the food and found that in their food, all these omega-3s. And that was kind of where they started to get the idea the omega-3s might be protective. And since then, there have been hundreds of thousands of papers written on this topic. And it really is true. They have a big impact in a lot of diseases.